We officially sold the house.
Yes, we did.
So we're officially homeless. You know, for how much rain we've got, because it's been raining on and off for the last week, there's no water.
I know, it's always been raining today.
I have to duck with you on my back. Ooh, here we go. You can finally start to see a whole bunch of the fall colors coming in. Like, look at just right here, there's a bunch of color. Welcome back, everybody. So we are in Hocking Hills and we officially sold the house.
Yes, we did.
So we're officially homeless and we're officially in the RV. So as of a week ago. So of course we're gonna start in Hocking Hills, which is where we started this whole thing 5 months
but
ago.
let's be real, this whole thing started because my grandpa, and this is where we this is where he took us
But
all the time.
But this was the first place we went with the Imagine. So
Yep.
now we're back in Hocking Hills, but it's fall time and the colors are finally starting to come through. The leaves are finally
And by starting I mean like
the leaves are finally starting to change. So we are going on a hike. It is a Wednesday, so we'll see how busy the visitor center is. Carly's
rainy day in a week. So
I know, we haven't seen the sun in a week, so it's finally
it's
sunny.
probably gonna be packed.
But Carly's on my back. She walked about 100 feet and then wanted in the backpack. So she's on my back.
And she's got her buddy.
So let's go ahead and get down to the visitor center. So this is one of the first times in a long time we've taken the trail straight from the campground. And we'll show you later, but the spots that we're in are right next to where this trail enters. It's just literally right there and you enter into the trail system. And then right over here is the caves. So we're gonna walk over here. We're gonna go check out the visitor center first, but it should be right over here. Carly, we're on the bridge.
Hi.
This is cool, look at this. Down here, you can see the little step bridge. We'll go down there in a minute, but this bridge is cool. It's been a long time since we walked across it though. Oh, there's the visitor center right there. I told you it was close. I don't know if we showed it in the video we went in March or in April, but they have this cool, this is the bottom floor, the entry level. And they have all these exhibits, big huge pieces of wood, and then they've got the little cave area here. They've got all sorts of descriptions of what the area. Yeah, go in. So in the upper level, they've got a whole bunch more exhibits. I'll do some shots so you can see it, but it's really cool. I love this place. All right, done with the visitor center.
What?
Carly likes the visitor center, and she likes being bounced around.
She's like giggling over the visitors.
She likes being bounced around in the backpack. We're gonna go walk down into the cave now. You know, for how much rain we've got, because it's been raining on and off for the last week, there's no water.
I know, it's always been raining today.
I figured there'd be, like, the waterfalls aren't flowing. Like, this is normally...
You usually hear it by now.
This is normally a waterfall right here. And then there's normally water, and this is a river. So, it's just, I mean, it's rained.
Oh, Chris, look at the cute caterpillar.
It's been raining so much, but there's no water. So here's that bridge that we walked across up there, and then this is what I was talking about, this super cool, like, step bridge. I don't know how to describe it, how else to describe it. It's cool. I'm gonna walk across this. Come on, Carly's. Whee! Yeah, it's just cool. And then, like I said, usually a river. So now there's no water. Now we're starting to enter into the actual caves here in a second. I mean, it's not really caves like you'd think of a cave, but it's so pretty. So this is the main area, like the main, I guess, cave area. But you can see this huge rock wall, and then you'll actually come back up over here. It's a one-way trail, so you come down here, go down, you're gonna go through some caves, and then go up back up. Here we go. Carly, I'm gonna have to duck.
I think it's like, you're
I'm gonna have to duck with you on my back. Ooh, here we go.
the visitor center is not
Nobody can see me. Carly's on my back. Carly, there we are. And out we are. All right, cross the bridge, Carly. Definitely one of the coolest bridges. Sorry. Cross the bridge, Carly. Let's go. I know you're just riding back there. Gotta wait for mom. Doink doink. Here, look at this bridge. Still the coolest bridge. I was wrong. There's one more cave. Here's another good look at that little bridge, the rock bridge. And that is usually a waterfall. There's no water flowing. So, all right, through the tunnel. Let's go. Uh-oh, Carly, I'm really gonna have to duck. Woohoo! Carly, I don't know how close you are to the roof. I don't want to bunk your head. There we go. We got out, Carly. Back up. Probably about 3/4 of the way through the little half-mile loop. You can actually see some of the fall colors up there. Some of the trees changing. And just like that, that's the end of our little half-mile loop. So there's the visitor center. We're going back across the bridge because we're going back up to the campsite. But, all right, let's walk back up the hill. Okay, so we decided to go on another hike. We have just today left. We're leaving tomorrow. Carly's got Ripley. We are going to Cedar Falls. Apparently there's not any water, I don't think, hardly here right now, which is kind of funny because it's been raining nonstop. It's the only thing it knows how to do in Ohio. But we are gonna walk down here. Yeah, there it is. You can finally start to see a whole bunch of the fall colors coming in. Like, look at just right here, there's a bunch of color.
Oh, this is it?
And right up there. Yeah, this is the quick way down to Cedar Falls. All right, so we made it down here. This is normally where I'm standing is normally flooded, but look at this. There's hardly any water. It's normally just a huge waterfall crashing into here, but I can't believe there's just no water. It's crazy. And then all of this is usually all flooded, but not now. Carly's throwing rocks. We actually came down the secondary trailhead. Normally you'd come across this bridge and come like a half mile that way, but yeah, it's pretty though. All the green and the colors,